Joy. Do you see them partying back there? They think there's no school today. But in a few seconds, that's all about to change. Guess what, you guys? There's school today.
What? Huh? Oh, no.
That's right. I'm taking you to school. Slime school.
Today on Weather Roof,
The no school. Slime school.
Change!
Challenger 1.
Bird. Bird wizard.
Challenger 2.
Scooter. Scooter wizard. Let's battle!
Team 2. Challenger 3.
Joy. Joy wizard.
Challenger 4.
Sparkle, Sparkle Weather Roof.
Girl power! Hey guys, what do you like to do when there's no school?
Toys? Tic-tac-toe?
Comment down below.
This is for you at home.
Pop quiz!
Pop quiz.
Pop quiz!
Oh no!
We're gonna be reading the comments to see who is correct. Like this video.
Pardon this brief interruption.
You have 5 seconds to subscribe. Go! Ingredient 1, glue. Ladies first.
I don't mind visiting.
I'm pouring.
Wow.
Now this is my kind of school.
Pop quiz. Ingredient number 2 in slime is...
Comment down below. Ingredient number 2, baking soda.
Pour in there, honey.
Okay.
Slimy.
Pop quiz. Ingredient number 3,
Activator!
Show me something slimy.
Oh yeah.
make slime. Make slime. Now that we all have slime, let the challenge begin.
Hey Sparkle, let's take these boys to slime school.
I didn't.
I think we should add them too. Vote for your favorite slime down below. Glitter! I just made a purse. I just made a face.
I had to like everything a ton today.
Oh, it's falling. Yeah. Okay, let's try this.
Okay, and then I'm gonna do that. And then that. I'm gonna make his eyes really big, and then his nose really big. Actually, he looks weird. It looks like a ghost. And then his hair is gonna be wrinkled and curly. If I can get it. Yeah.
Okay.
It looks like a pumpkin, a creepy pumpkin. And then, wow. Get them.
Oh man. Oh, chocolate.
I just made his hair look weird. Now, I'm gonna now my man is.
Oh, bubble. Here it goes. Here it goes.
Dang it, just played it again. I wanted to make
Woo!
For more awesome videos, hit subscribe.